I recently just got monetized on YouTube, and today I got my first payout. It actually feels very good. So in this video, I'll be showing you how much I am being paid just for 1,000 views on a particular video. This is the video that we'll be analyzing. So let's click on analytics. On the analytics, the rich part, this video has about 7.7k impressions since launched, and the impression click-through rate of about 8.5%. This means 8.5% of the people that it was displayed to clicked on it, and it has about 1,000 views, which is why we are here. And the unique viewers is about 706. That means it got 1,000 views from about 706 people, so which means some people viewed it twice or multiple times rather. So the engagement, it has about 43.8 watch hours, and the average view duration, each person actually watched it for 2 minutes and 34 seconds. The audience, we've discussed this, and this one is about additional 8 subscribers from this video. So the revenue that we're here for is $1.47 for 1,000 views, which is quite okay for a creator from Nigeria. But I have a video that I'm being paid more. That's the video I'll be posting next. You see how much I earned on that video for 10,000 views. So if you're a creator from Nigeria or Africa, this is the approximated amount that you should be expecting on 1,000 views in a niche as similar as my own. Some niches are actually paid lesser than this, like entertainment niche. This is still okay, and even in this niche I could be paid more, and I'll show you in my next video for the 10,000 views. Thanks for watching. Bye.